Hey guys, welcome to my another video from my playlist named CS by Hemant, and here in this video I'm gonna explain you what are programming languages. Without being said, let's begin. A language is our primary source of communication and interaction with others from thousands of years. As you all know, computers are machines which takes input and gives output. Computers especially are good at performing tasks and calculations. We all know there are different types of computers around us, but these all computers understand one common language known as binary. And binary is programming language which is only made up of ones and zeros. Computer software translates between binary information and the information that you works with. Example photos, videos, and more information. Also, this binary information is sometimes also referred to as a machine language. The zeros and ones are stored in the central processing unit of a computer system using the transistors. Binary language is hard to understand for humans. That's why humans created programming languages that can translate binary into that humans can understand. Okay, so now what is programming language? In definition, a programming language is a language that programmers use to write programs. In depth, a programming language is a set of commands, instructions, and others which is used to create a software program. Here are two types of programming languages, high level and low level. Programmers used to write codes are called high level languages, and binary language and machine languages are known as low level languages. These languages are hard to understand for humans. By learning high level programming languages such as Python, Java, and more, it will be helpful to get a job at tech giant companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, and Amazon, and more. So this is all I got for you guys here in this video, and guys, your one sub will be amazing for the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press its side bell icon to not miss any update from my channel. And my name is Hemant and this is Mr. Tiger. I'm gonna catch you on my next one. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.